Okay, what's up again? This is actually the part 2 of introduction to Telegram mining and their types. Alright, here I'll be addressing the examples and I'll show how you can easily add them up. How you can easily create a folder for this and add them up. Alright, the first one you are going to be doing is this. Just click on this, click on settings. Alright, then you can easily come to chat folders. Alright, these are the examples. If you remember what I said the other time, these are the examples I provided. Then we're having this. I decided to add profit per hour because it seems to I figured out it's also like on on its own, like it's in a class in itself. You get what I'm talking about. Task and checking in, mining odds, bot claiming, and profit per hour. I think it's in a class of its own, but let's just come down to this one. So these are the examples. I want to use the very popular ones. Under task and checking in, we are going to be using example. Dusk is still mining, goat still mining. We have cat too, but we don't need to use that as an example right now. We just have to use 3 examples. Dogs, they already launched. I think August 26th. That was last month. So we are not using that as an example. Then mining, Bloom, to market, sun waves, time farm, iceberg. Then when it comes to bot and claiming, tap swap, minfi. Then when it comes to profit per hour now, I'm actually using just very few examples. There are several projects, that can fall into any of this category. Alright. So I'm just using these ones for example's sake. I'm going to be sharing the links to most of the projects I participate in on Telegram. I'm going to share the links to about every one of them, but let's look at. So you just know what are you supposed to set your mind to when you want to engage on a particular project on Telegram, so you'll be able to get the best point out of it. Alright. So this is how to go about it. Go to Telegram. Let's start with task and checking in. I hope I'll be able to finish this very first video. So under task and checking in, okay, like I said, just create a folder. Create a folder. So let's just call this one tasks. Alright. So then let us add the chart to it. So under that, let's look for ducks and goats. Let's add those two. So ducks. So look at bots. This is it. Ducks bots. Add it. Then goats. That's it. Add it. Alright. Then save it. Alright, there you go. Let's create another new folder. Then we are adding mining now. Mining. Then yes, that's mining. So let's save. Let's add some charts to that. We are using Bloom, to market, Sunwave, time farm, and iceberg as example. We're having several of those ones. So let's start with market. So bot. Then let's go to Bloom. Alright. Let's go to sun waves, time frame, and iceberg. Sun waves, bot, time frame. Let's just leave that iceberg. Alright. Let's save it as well. Then let's come down to bot and claiming. Bot and claiming. They'll just use bots for short. That times. Then you just use tap swap and minify. These are examples. In the next video, I'll actually tap swap and minify. We're actually going to be starting right with it. Alright, so save that. So I'll go to each one of these folders in our next example. Let's just say this video is need to, because I can only reach 5 minutes on each one of my screen record right now as of the moment. So you can see it here.